What's up everyone, today is the fourth part of the You Can Draw This in 10 minutes videos, but this time it's a little bit harder, so instead of 10, it's going to be 20 minutes. We're going to make a painting with cats, and this is how it's going to look like at the end. And again, if you have a Photoshop and a mouse, you can follow the steps and draw this by yourself. Even if you're a beginner, with some practice you will be able to do it. So let's start by making the background, and after that we will make a door on the right side. The next step is to start drawing the wall of the house and then add some bricks. Now we need to draw a window. Fill the window with some color. Now start adding grass on the ground. Use a brush with low opacity to add effects on the house to make it look like it's abandoned. Draw a small bush on the left side and then copy and paste it on the right side. Now I'm going to draw some leaves and then I'm gonna copy and paste them several times to create some plants for the garden. We're going to add more bushes and grass on the ground and then add a path. Add shadows on the wall and the door, and then play with the lighting for the whole painting. Copy and paste the plants and add more on the top side. The next step is to draw a black cat standing in the middle of the painting and looking at the ground. Add shadows and lighting for the cat. Now draw a small flower in front of the cat. And the last step is to draw an orange cat that's trying to play with the black one. And finally, add some shadows, play with the lighting, use the camera raw filter and change the exposure to make it look more nice and clean. After that, add some lighting on the top left corner and add more shadows on the bottom right corner to make the painting pop a little bit more. And that's everything. The hardest part of this painting was the lighting and the shadows for me, but after playing a little bit I managed to do it right. If you watched the whole video, I wanna say thank you, and if you wanna see more, be sure to like and subscribe and tell me what you wanna see next in the comments. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the next one.